Hello students, welcome to Educate. In this class, we will discuss about the atomic mass. Okay, in atomic mass, nowadays, what is that here? Nowadays, carbon 12 taken as a standard to calculate the atomic mass of any element. So a standard taken is carbon 12. So atomic mass of carbon is considered as 12. So when 12 will be divided by 12, then will be 1. So 1/12 the weight of carbon 12 is equal to 1/12 the weight of one atom of carbon, that is equal to 1 AMU, atomic mass unit, or nowadays it is used only U. 1 AMU means atomic mass unit, and 1 U means unified mass. So to calculate the atomic mass, carbon 12 taken as a standard, carbon 12 isotope considered taken as a standard, and 1/12 the weight of one atom of carbon 12, that is called 1 AMU or 1 U. Okay, 1/12 the weight of one atom of carbon 12, one atom of carbon 12, that is taken as 1 AMU or 1 U. Simple here it is, and questions also don't ask from the concept, question asked in the form of numericals. 1 AMU is this much, and it has been observed that 1 AMU is 1 point this much gram. Okay, any problem guys? How to calculate? Do you want to know how to calculate, how it comes? This one? Okay, let's see here. So you know atomic weight of carbon is 12. That means weight of 1 mole carbon atom, that will be equal to 12 gram. 1 mole is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So that means weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, that much atoms of carbon 12, that will equal to 12 gram. So weight of one atom of carbon 12, that will equal to how much? 12 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Here 10 to the power 23 here, so that will become 10 to the power here minus 23. Now 12 divided by 6.023 is how much? 1.66. Okay, so when you calculate, you will get that one. Mass of same 1 AMU will be equal to how much? So weight of one atom of this one is that much. That is how much? So 12 divided by 6 point, so 2 point something, 2 point suppose 2, that into 10 minus 23, and that's 12th part. 12th part will be how much? So 12th part, so that means 1 AMU, that will be equal to 1, and here don't calculate, 1 AMU, that will equal to 12 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 that into 1 by 12. Cancel out. So 1 divided by this one, when you will divide them, this 23, so that will become 10 to the power minus 23, and when you will divide 12 by 12 will cancel 1 by 6.023, then that will become 1.66. So 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 23. So 1 AMU is that. So in the examination of NEET or of main examination, also in CUT examination, question may ask 1 AMU equal to how much gram? So 1 AMU will be equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. If you forget in the examination, then you can calculate that 1 AMU is 1 by 12 into weight of one atom of carbon 12, and atomic weight of carbon, you know, 12. So 1 mole of atomic weight means weight of 1 mole atom. That means when the number of moles of carbon atom will be 1, and 1 mole is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So when the number of carbon atoms will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, then their weight will be 12 gram. So weight of one atom of carbon 12 will be 12 upon this one, and 1/12 the weight of one atom of carbon 12, that will come this much, 1.66 10 minus 23. Okay, that is. Now average atomic mass, what is that average atomic mass, and here molecular mass about that. So average atomic mass, let's see here. Average atomic mass, how to calculate? Any element exists in different isotropic form. Isotropic form means, isotope is what? The elements, when two particles will have same atomic number but different mass number, then that will be called isotope. So mass number is same, is different. So same way average and atomic. Like that, chlorine 35. Its percentage abundance is 75. That is 75% here. In the same way, there chlorine exists in another isotopic form, that is chlorine 37, and its percentage abundance is 25%. Chlorine exists in two isotropic form, that is chlorine 35 and the chlorine 37, of which the percentage abundance of chlorine 35 will be 75 and that of chlorine 37 is 25. That means if there will be 100 chlorine atom, then there will be 75 atom which atomic mass will be 35. This 35, it will be called relative atomic weight. This one is called relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight. Okay, relative atomic weight means the atomic weight of a particular isotope, and average atomic weight, so at an average we calculate. Okay, so relative atomic weight means the atomic weight of a particular isotope. Relative atomic weight means atomic weight of a particular isotope. So how do we find out the average? Add them. So that's why average atomic weight. Average atomic weight of chlorine, that will be equal to 35 into 75 plus 37 into 25 upon 100. Just like that, if there will be, same here, there is a container. There is a container in which there will be 75 atoms whose atomic weight is 35, and there is 25 atoms whose atomic weight is 37. How we calculate the average? Means 35 will be added to 75 times. That means 35 plus 35, that will be till 75 times, and plus 35 into 37 into 37, 37 into 37 plus 37, and that will be 25 times. So better to add 75 times. Multiplication is just repeated addition. So instead of adding the 35 75 times, we should multiply the 35 by the 75. Okay, that's why it will be 35 into 75 plus 37 into 25, that upon 100. We add 35 till 75 times. Better is that we multiply the 35 by 75. You may check that. And we add 37 the 25 times. Better is multiply the 37 by the 25. So when you will come calculate this one, it will come 35.5. So that's the reason the average atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. Okay, clear? That is, keep in the mind, atomic weight of, suppose atomic weight of oxygen is 16. That means when the number of oxygen atom will be 1 mole. 1 mole, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Then their weight will be 16 gram. Just like that, 1 dozen is equal to 12. So that means cost of 1 dozen banana means cost of 12 banana. Same here, weight of 1 mole oxygen atom means weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atom of oxygen. Okay, so this one keep in the mind, because that is the most important here point. And at this point, a number of students get confused. So that's why this one keep in the mind here. Okay, any other substance, like suppose same, that is average. And how to be calculate average atomic weight? That means relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight is the atomic weight of a particular isotope, and average atomic weight means the weight of that element at an average by considering their relative atomic weights of different isotopes. Okay, then after is that was average atomic mass. Now molecular mass. Same, molecular mass means mass of, molecular mass means mass of here molecules, like that. Molecular mass means when the number of moles of the molecules will be 1 mole. That means when the number of molecules will be 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23, then what will be their mass? That will be called their molecular mass. Okay, like that here, molecular mass, you suppose here given of the methane. So methane here, so its molecular mass, how you calculate? Because this methane is composed of one molecule of methane is composed of one atom of carbon and the 4 atom of hydrogen. Since one molecule of methane is composed of one atom of carbon and the 4 atom of hydrogen. So molecular weight will be how much? So that's why molecular weight will be here atomic weight of carbon 12 plus there is 4 hydrogen and atomic weight of one hydrogen is atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. So that's why it will be 16. Here atomic weight of methane is 16U, or you may write 12U and this one. Since the molecular weight of methane here, that means here 16U, that means when the number of methane molecule will be 1 mole or 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, then the number of, then their weight will be equal to 16 gram. Okay guys, that is the meaning of molecular weight. Okay, now let's see about the formula mass. Formula mass, here formula mass is applicable for the ionic compound. We use the formula mass for the ionic compound. Okay, like that NaCl, it is an ionic compound, NaCl, because for NaCl molecules are bonded with each other through electrostatic force of attraction. Na plus and Cl minus are bonded with each other through a strong electrostatic force of attraction. So here we use formula mass instead of molecular mass. So here formula mass of NaCl will be how much? So here sodium 23 and chlorine 35.5. So 58.5 U. So formula mass of NaCl is 23U plus 35.5 U. That means 58.5 U. Okay. This one very simple concept there is. Okay, let's see this question. Glucose molecule, you will have to find out the their molecular mass. So very simple here. Glucose molecular formula is C6H12O6. Glucose, the molecular formula is C6H12O6. So its molecular mass will be, that will equal to 6 into atomic mass of carbon, and atomic mass of carbon is 12U. So 12U plus 12 into, because there is 6 carbon atoms, so that's why 6 into atomic weight of carbon, that is 12U, plus there is 12 hydrogen. So 12 into atomic weight of hydrogen is 1U. So 1 plus there is 6 oxygen and atomic weight of oxygen is 16U. So 16U. So that's when you will calculate that, it will come 180U. That is okay, guys. Here I am writing the formulas and like that elements, and here ABCD, when if you of the chemistry is the atomic weight and the atomic mass. So when you will not know the atomic weight, then to the number of questions you cannot answer. So that's why I am firstly here giving you, and till 20 you will have to give the information in your mind. So let's see here. You will have to keep mug up this one like that. H1, He2, Li3, Be4, B5, C6, N7, O8, F9, Ne10, Ne11, Mg12, Al13, Si14, P15, S16, Cl17, Ar18, K19, Ca20. If in this manner you will try to mug up, then you will mug up this one very easily. Like H1, He2, Li3, B4, B5, C6, N7, O8, F9, Ne10, Ne11, Mg12, Al13, Si14, P15, S16, Cl17, Ar18, K19, and Ca20. So like that you keep, you will be able to mug up it very easily, and no confusion will arise. And if you will do any mistakes, then by mugging this one, you will find out that I'm doing the mistakes. You like just like that. Our sense tells that something will going to happen wrong with me. So that is called here same sense. Same here. When you will do the mistakes, like here suppose H-E-L-I like that, if you will get mugged up like this, then if you will miss somewhere, then whole your level will get wasted. So better you mugged up like this one: H1, He2, Li3, B4, B5, C6 and 7, O8, F9, Ne10, Ne11, Mg12, Al13, Si14, P15, S16, Cl17, Ar18, K19 and Ca20, like that. So during that course, you could mugged up very easily. So first of all, you watch out this one. First of all, write this one. Listen then. So firstly, fill this one. So here atomic weight except hydrogen, beryllium here, nitrogen and chlorine, except this one. Or you may say that one is neither odd nor even. One, it is neither odd neither even. Okay, so about the one here, so its atomic weight is 1 only. And helium atomic number is even number, so atomic mass will be simply twice of that. So atomic mass will be 2 into 2, that is 4. Lithium atomic weight is here, atomic mass is 3, so that's why 3 into 2 plus 1. Here beryllium, in case of beryllium there is exception here. In case of beryllium here, atomic weight here is, atomic number is 4. In beryllium the atomic number is 4, so that should be 4 into 2, but here is plus 1 also, that is 9. Boron, so odd number, it's an odd number, so that's why 5 into 2 plus 1. Carbon, even number, so 6 into 2 plus 1. Oh, odd number, so carbon 6, carbon atomic number is 6, so that's why 6 is the odd number, so that's why atomic weight is 12. Nitrogen here, it's an odd number, but in this case that should be the atomic number of nitrogen is 7, and 7 is odd number, so its atomic weight would be 7 into 2 plus 1, but here it's exception. Yeah, that is not the concept, that's I am telling you by the technique only, how to keep in the mind. So its atomic weight will be simply 7 into 2 only. Oxygen 8 is a even number, so its atomic weight will be 8 into 2. Fluorine 9, atomic number here odd number, so its atomic weight will be. Now neon 10, it's a odd number, even number, so its atomic weight will be simply 20. Sodium 11 is a odd number, so that's why 2 into 11 plus 1. Magnesium 12 is a even number, so its atomic mass will be. Aluminum here 13 is a odd number, so atomic weight will be 13 into 2 plus 1. Silicon atomic number 14 is a even number, so that's why atomic mass will be. Phosphorus 15, atomic number is odd number, so that will be here, atomic weight will be. Sulfur 16 is a odd number, so atomic weight will be. Chlorine 17, so atomic weight will be, should be 17 into 2 plus 1, 35, but actually that is 35.5 here. Chlorine here 35.5. Argon here, atomic weight 18 is an odd number, so atomic weight will be. Potassium 19 is odd number, sorry here argon atomic number is even number, so that's why atomic mass will be 18 into 2. Potassium, so odd number, so plus 1. And calcium 20 is a even number, so that's why that's atomic weight will be 20 into 2, that is 40. If you confuse in the examination that when odd then into 2 only, or when even then only, then in this case when atomic number will be an even number, then atomic mass will be also even number. And when atomic number will be odd number, then atomic weight will be also odd number. Exception here is, the exception in these cases are beryllium, hydrogen, about the hydrogen, you may say it's exception also and exception also not. Because hydrogen is, that is here, atomic weight is 1, and 1 is not neither odd nor even. So here rules not apply, simply atomic number 1, so simply 1 here. And exception there is at beryllium, nitrogen and chlorine. Okay, in beryllium atomic number is even number, so its mass should be even, but that's not. Here in this case plus 1 added, and in case of nitrogen 1 not added, even though the atomic number is an odd number. And in case of chlorine 35.5, so after multiplication that will come 35, but 0.5 also added there. Okay, so that was about the just like ABCD of this is ABCD of the chemistry. Without the knowledge of these one, atomic weight and atomic number, the thinking about the chemistry will be meaningless if you will not know the atomic number and atomic weight. Then after is mole concept and molar mass. So mole concept and the molar mass, about that. Molar mass means here, in case of atomic weight, molar mass of, if there will be sodium, so sodium is an element, so molar mass of sodium is equal to atomic weight of sodium or atomic mass of sodium. O2 is a molecule, so when it will tell molar mass of O2, molar mass of O2 means molecular mass. The molar mass of S8 means molecular mass of S8, sulfur. In the same way, if it will be given molar mass of phosphorus, that means P4. So molar mass of P4 will be equal to their molecular weight. Okay, same as for oxygen. Listen, in case of oxygen, one molecule of oxygen is composed of 2 atoms of oxygen. Keep in the mind, guys, watch it very carefully. What I am saying here, that the one molecule of oxygen is composed of 2 atoms of oxygen. So atomic weight of oxygen, how much? Atomic mass or atomic weight. Here we take mass and weight in the same terms. As in the physics, there is difference in the mass and in the weight. But here in the chemistry, we take the mass and the weight in the same sense. So here atomic mass of oxygen, how much? 16U. So molecular mass of that will equal to 2 into 16U, so 32U. So in case of oxygen, the atomic weight is 16U, and here, but the molecular weight is 32U. Same in case of hydrogen. In case of hydrogen, so atomic weight will be 1U, and one hydrogen molecule is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms. So that's why molecular weight will be equal to, that will equal to 2 into 1U, that is 2U. Okay, same here about the phosphorus. Just consider about the phosphorus. So atomic weight of phosphorus, how much? That is 31. So that will be 31U. And one molecule of phosphorus is composed of 4 atoms of phosphorus. One molecule of phosphorus is composed of 4 atoms of phosphorus. So that's why the molecular weight of phosphorus, that will be equal to 4 into atomic weight of phosphorus. So 4 into 31U. That means 124U. That is. So guys, that was about the molar mass and atomic mass, which is the ABCD of the question, and the main concept starts from here. That is percentage composition in the mole concept. Guys, as I am reiterating that these concepts are the basic of the chemistry, and heading is also some basic concepts of the chemistry. So this is just like the ABCD of the chemistry, and you will have to understand this one very easily. And if anyone will not understand at any particular point, then they may ask the Educate YouTube channel, and they should ask immediately on the Educate channel. Guys, what I tell you, a number of YouTube channel there is in the here at the YouTube, but which one is authentic and which one is not authentic here. So you will have to search again and again. But here, if you consider the YouTube channel as the helpful for you, then you take whole benefit from this YouTube channel. If any problem you face, then consult the Educate immediately. We definitely help you, and we have no any. That means financial lust we have not actually. That's I am telling you honestly. We have not the financial lust. Yes, I am telling you frankly that I have lust of the fame and that of the benevolence, so that everyone will realize that okay. And main problem, main here it is thinking that the problems which I have faced, that's I have labored hard, but have not get success which I desired. So I think I am trying that the students who is trying hard, doing the lots of labor, and is not getting results. So the problems which I have faced, I want to prevent to face that type of problem to a number of students of which I can do. Okay, so it's all for this class. In the next class, we will discuss from the percentage composition. If any problem you will have, you may ask. It's all. Thank you. Team Educate.